Hello. Long time no see. So medyo mahaba-haba na videos that what I have in the regular videos. And now I prepare already my everyday daily school for the school of CC. I fix later this one and I let them to wake up night so 6:05. Kaya good morning, keep safe. To all of us people in this world that were belonging to different countries, keep safe talaga. And that is already, tadhana na mga pangyayari sa buong mundo that every happened in every country. So, be strong to all peoples of God and provide everything, whatever we need. Okay? So, that's all. We finish later. I fix na that one. I let them to wake up first. Si Sisi and si Coco nag-i-sleep na. Here ka na, dali na.
Wake up!
Oh, okay, sorry. I'm sorry. That is the weather now. Weather is so good. Uy, ma-fall down. Ikaw na, be careful. Just a minute. Ay, man ko. Dali na, stand up. Ika na, kapag ako. Harap ka here. Dali na kay Riyada today. Mag-Riyada ikaw today. Biri-Riyada yan. What is the Riyada today? Jumping? Aray, kumano ka. Heavy ka na kaya dan me. Dali na taali na. Sige na.
Come on!
Dali na. Aray ko. Mga jump, mga ano na tayo nito. Mga pull down na tayo nito. Yalang huli, bye-bye. Take care to all of us. Keep safe. More blessings. Asan na yung mga drawing ni Sisi? Ayan, mga drawing talaga yan ni Sisi. Si Sisi yan ang mga drawing. Mga perfect. This one is for the Ramadan for Sisi. Okay? Oh, you see. Where is this one before I forget? Very nice yung shoes. Yan. Very nice. Okay, bye-bye.